Dr. N.A. Magdum Ayurvedic Medical College and Hospital, Ankli. The name of the topic is presented is Antidotes and its Classification, prepared by me and it was guided by Dr. Sachidanand Vangapati Sir, Department of Agada Tantra. Now we'll start the topic name is Antidotes and its Classification. What is antidotes? Antidotes are the substance which neutralize the effect of poisonous. Mode of actions: inert complex formation, accelerated detoxification, reduced toxic conservation, receptor site blockage, and toxic effect bypass. Next, classification of antidotes. First one is mechanical or physical antidotes. Second one is chemical antidotes. Third one is physiological or pharmacological antidotes. Fourth one is chelating agents. Now we'll start the first classification of antidotes. Mechanical or physical antidotes. They neutralize poisonous by mechanical action or prevent their absorption. First one is activated charcoal. It is fine, black, odorless and tasteless powder. Preparation: it is produced by a destructive distillation of various organic materials, usually from wood pulp, and then treated at a high temperature with a variety of activated agent such as a steam, carbon dioxide to increase the absorptive capacity. The particle size is small but the surface area is very large. Administration: how to administration of activated charcoal? It can be used by mixing with the water to form the soup like slurry. Mode of action: it acts mechanically by absorbing and retaining within its pores, thus delay absorption from stomach. Initial dose: 60 to 100 gram in adults. In children, 15 to 30 grams. Repeated dose: 50 gram every 4 hours can be given for 2 days. Useful in a poisonous due to barbiturates, atropines, etc. Not useful in corrosive, heavy metals, cyanides, hydrocarbons and alcohol. Next, second point is a demulcents are the substance which form a protective coating on the gastric mucous membrane and does not permit the poisonous to cause any damage. Example is milk and milk magnesium, egg white, mineral oil, aluminium, hydroxide etc. Next, bulky food. Bulky food acts as a mechanical antidote to a glass powder by compressing its particles within its mesh and thus prevent damage being affected by the sharp glass particles. Next, second one is a chemical antidotes. They counteract the action of poisonous by forming harmless or insoluble compounds by oxidizing poison when brought into contact with them. Common salt decomposes silver nitrate by direct chemical action, forming insoluble silver chloride. Potassium permanganate has a oxidizing property. It loses its pink color when it reacts with the poisons. The wash must be continued till the solution comes out of the stomach the same color of the solution put in. Next, it is important in Viva universal antidotes. It consists of a activated charcoal or burnt toast, 2 parts, magnesium oxide 1 part, and tannic acid strong tea 1 part. It is not recommended. Next, third classification of antidotes, physiological or pharmacological antidotes. They act on the tissue of the body by produce symptoms exactly opposite to those caused by the poison. They are used after some of the poison is absorbed into the circulation. These agents effects on the principle of antagonism by interfering with another action upon the enzyme, tissue cells or opposing nervous system. Most of known antidotes are only partially in their actions. Example, atropine and cyclostigmine are two real physiological antidotes as both of them affect nerve ending and produce opposite effects of the heart rate, state of pulp and glandular secretion. And last classification of the antidotes, that is chelating agents. These are in the treatment of poisoning by heavy metals as they have greater affinity for the metals as compared to the endogenous enzymes. The complex of the agent and metals in more water soluble than the metals itself, resulting in higher renal excretion of the complex. BAL, EDT, penicillium. These are the detail about the antidotes and its classification. This is the end of the topic. Thank you one and all.